Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be flipping through these two new large sticker books from the Happy Planner, Unique Alpha Fonts and Wellness. If you'd like to see that, keep watching. All right, so these sticker books are releasing on Tuesday with the whole spring release from the Happy Planner. Here are the details of your codes. So basically, the more you spend, the more you save. Launch is February 22nd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And I will have an affiliate link in the description box. So if you wouldn't mind using my link, it is a really good way for you to help me out, and it doesn't cost you anything at all. Just click the link and it'll take you right to the site. All right, so let's get started. I'm just gonna flip through these two. These are the two large sticker books that I got in my my mentor box that the Happy Planner sent to me. So thank you, Happy Planner. And the you can make sure you can go back. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am running on no sleep. Really, it's bad. You can go check out my unboxing video to see everything that I got, but I just thought I'd do separate flip throughs of some of the things. So this is really hard to see. Can you see it? There's letters here. They're little skinny letters. I like these. They're really cool when they do like this kind of, ombre sort of look. I think that they're really fun. And so, we've got warm colors here and cool colors here. These ones look a little bit thicker than the others. Well, maybe not. Anyway, they're just like basic block letters, okay? Then these ones are a little bit different. So these are like these kind of letters that have like the little serifs on them. And so they're a little more fancy. If you feel like getting fancy in your planner and you want to do, some fancy stickers, letters, it would be these ones. Okay, and these are like whimsical ones, right? So those are on paper. These are on clear. Okay, they're really cool. And then these are on clear as well. I've got some wild like letters here, and I'm all for it, especially in your wild styled spreads or in that new sticker book that I just got, which was, where is it? I haven't flipped through it yet, but I will. Wait, I can't even find it. Oh my gosh, I have sticker books everywhere. It's like a mix between like wild styled and a line. So that would work out well with those. These are foil, obviously, and they're gonna be real skinny. I'm not gonna take them off. Can you see them? They're real skinny. And then here's the lowercase of that style. And then we've got some block letters here. And these guys, I hope you can see these. I'm not going to take them all off. So these are like a calligraphy font. I love that. And then we have that serif font again in like the hollow foil. Two of those. And then three of those. Wait. And now we have like the more, the block letters. I don't even know if you can see that. I hope so. And then this page. Okay. So that is your Unique Alpha fonts. They're going to be useful. All right, next up, let's check out Wellness. I really love this one. Like, I just flipped through it really quickly, and it looked really cute. So, I don't know why I'm going backwards. Wait, why did I start backwards? Well, let's do it backwards this time. So, these I love. I think they're so fun. There's, like, rose gold foil on them. How will I grow today? Reach for the sky. I need vitamin C. Yeah, really cute. And then we have more of that type of thing in these colors that are so pretty. I love like the real photo stickers, as you probably know. I think these are beautiful. I love that they're circles. I think that's fun. Let's see. So root and flow. Praise. No, not praise. Paradise found. Do you ever have trouble reading writing like that, where it's like boop, 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 Dwell in possibility. You were made to bloom. Live life fully. refresh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I want to go on vacation. I am going to go wild though, but I'm not going to the beach. Unplug, I wish, rhythms and rituals, the promise of a new day. Breathe in gratitude, exhale praise. These are unclear, by the way. Look at this, the nature of wellness. I love that. Rest, renew, restore. These are so fun, these big like header stickers. Aren't they fun? I love the paint like brush strokes. I think that's so cool. Find the beauty in today, reconnect with nature. How will I grow today? Go offline today. Beauty is all around. These are great for your wellness spreads. And I love hands in my planner. I know that's creepy. Maybe some of you understand that love, but there's just something about it. It's just like kind of cool. I know some people are like creeped out by that, but I don't know. So we have like some moons here. They're like moons and suns, all clear. Quiet time, sunrise, quiet time. Enjoy the sunshine. Sunset, slow down. Nourish, flourish. We got some rose gold here. Let yourself rest. I hope so. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that one. That's so pretty. There's that paradise found again. Be still, my soul. Lean in, listen, behold, be still. This is all one sticker. There's some leaves here that are really pretty. These are very soothing, don't you think? I feel like these are soothing stickers. These are rose gold too. And then this is like gold. So dreaming of the sun, life blooms out of a hopeful heart, shine, the mountains are calling and I must go. Like this is a really pretty sticker book. I'm really enjoying this flip through. Oh boy. So anyway, those are the 2 sticker books that are in the large size. There might be more, but I only got 2. So if there's more, like you can check out the other squad members and mentors, like they got different things than I got. So there probably are more large sticker books, but I'm not exactly sure what they are. But probably somebody else got them if there are more. So thanks for watching, and go check out my other flip throughs as well and my unboxing. And yeah, Tuesday, 9 a.m. Pacific time. Yeah, happy shopping. Let me know what you think of these 2 books. Bye.